Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are starting with a series of prelims की बात. यहाँ पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे कुछ टॉपर्स बार बार प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करते हैं और सिलेक्शन ले पाते हैं, वहीं कुछ लोग some people repeatedly fail prelims. So why is this disparity in clearing prelims? यहाँ पे unpredictable कितना कुछ है. We'll be discussing about that. And if everything is unpredictable, then how are some people repeatedly clearing it and some repeatedly failing it? In this episode of Prelims Ki Baat, I have brought with you a topper's secret, which many people tell, which you can also find in infinite videos on YouTube, Telegram channel of toppers, and various personal interactions, that there is a similar template. Then why everybody is not able to clear prelims? Why are we failing it again and again? So I will be trying to answer it, and I will be telling you how to use that approach which the toppers have mentioned in a correct manner. So knowing topper strategy is one thing, and implementing that to suit your needs is another. So prelims, that is to happen on 25th of May 2025, is going to be your important day. But how do you make that day to be a way to appear in the prelims exam? How do you ensure that you get to appear in mains this time? But the good part about today is that we are in the first week of March and you still have 80 to 85 days left. And in these 85 days, if you focus on your content, if you focus on repeated practice, and you play a strategic game to clear prelims, you can surely get your ticket to write mains. So with content will come from your basic books and your compilations. As far as strategy is concerned, mentors will help you with the strategy. And practice, my friend, you will have to do it yourself. Nobody can come to do it for you. So practice, you will have to do it yourself. Now how to practice and how to go about it? 85 days is an enough time to clear prelims, because as let me tell you that some people who are appearing in the interview this year, the interviews will go up till 17th of April. People will have interviews in March and April. They will appear for their interview and they will again clear the next prelims on 25th of May. So what they are doing that we are not able to do? First focus is to be on standard books. Standard books are important for 5 major topics like polity, economy, environment, history, and geography. Standard books, the standard books such as Lakshmikant, Spectrum, and NCERTs that everybody is following. Why is it that some clear and some don't? The answer to this lies in the rapid revision of these books, because in last 1 month you will be needing to revise the whole of Lakshmikant in one day, or even in the matter of 3 to 5 hours that some toppers are able to do. So reading standard books in a manner, taking out their short and concise notes of important points that you forget repeatedly, is the way to go about these books. And from these books, my friend, 40 to 50 questions in a good exam year would be found directly, and in a unprecedented year like 2023 prelims, at least 25 to 35 questions would again be found from these books. So the success lies in clearing these questions that are directly from the standard books. Next is the focus on contemporary affairs. I am not using the word current affairs for a very simple reason, that while analyzing PYQs, I found that the UPSC is not asking questions from previous 1 year, rather they are asking it from previous 2 to 3 years. So not just the current year, but the contemporary developments is what one needs to be aware with. Since more than 1 year before events question are asked, so we need to focus on current affairs plus contemporary affairs. Newspapers, I am sure you must be reading the Indian Express or the Hindu as per your choice, and compilations you all must be focusing. There is a compilation by Kalam IAS as well, and other as well which suit your taste and requirements, which need to be followed and revised repeatedly. Next important thing is full syllabus tests. What we do is that we appear for sectional tests. We will do 100 questions of polity, 100 of modern history, hundreds of medieval history, 100 of geography, and so on. But there is a basic flaw in this strategy, that on the day of prelims exam, you will have to appear in each and every topic in the question paper in a same day on a same exam. That is, in 100 questions, you will be having questions from all the subjects. And on the same day, you will be having questions from CSAT as well in the afternoon. So while we train our mind to focus on the selective questions of topic wise, but what is required from UPSC is a full syllabus test. So you need to find a test series, or you need to get hold of tests that give you full syllabus tests. In here, Kalam IAS has a program of Eklavya ACE. This program focuses on half full length tests, and these half full length tests will have questions from PYQs, from current affairs, from your standard books, and from CSAT as well. So this will ensure that you have your holistic practice being done over these 40-50 days, which the ACE program would run after you enroll for it. And this will help you build the exam temperament that is required for you on 25th of May. Next, we need to focus on 35 years prelims PYQs. I have seen people focusing on PYQ from 2017 onwards because they started their preparation in 2017, or 2013 onwards when the new pattern, the existing pattern was brought about. But I would suggest you to focus on 35-year prelims questions, because themes are often repeated in subjects like polity, like geography, like history, and even in topics like environment and science. I have seen questions from PYQs repeating themselves in current prelims. And also the options are set in a manner that a previous year option would be a question for the next year. So you need to analyze PYQs in a manner that you also don't miss out on the options and the story which every option is telling you. And another important thing which many of us are ignoring is the CSAT part. Every year I see children clearing GS exam but failing in the CSAT. So the 66 marks that are required for the CSAT exam can be gained by practice, and a lot of practice. And if somebody asks that where should they practice from, my one-stop solution is that PYQs since 2013, when the CSAT was introduced, all these 12-13 years that you have, you should practice these PYQs. And once you are done with it, you need something more, then you can get hold of any standard books or any test series that tells you about the CSAT exam. This CSAT focus is brought about in the ACE on a daily basis. 5 questions would be there in the program, so you will not be ignoring CSAT as we generally do. But now here a word of caution, that the same approach is not useful for all the candidates. Even the siblings of toppers fail to clear prelims when the topper or their brother or sister is guiding them. Then what is the problem? What is the thing that is lacking? The lack is personalized approach that can be gained by a mentorship that you get along with the Eklavya ACE program. Mentor will ensure that you will get a personalized approach to focus on the weak areas and make your strong areas your strength even further. So this personalized approach, if taken at the right time like this in the month of March, can help you clear the prelims within 2-3 months that is to be scheduled ahead. And finally friends, with this we come on to this conclusion of this short lesson of ours, and I hope you would have gained something out of it. you would implement it in your strategies. This would refine your preparation, and we can connect if you have any further doubts through the description, information available in the description. Thank you so much.